Hi!
Hi! So we are in Sechelt and, and we are gonna go feed the ducks. This is our trip to Sechelt. And we're going to the Sechelt marsh.
And we're gonna feed them?
Yeah. You read my mind. And the ducks are gonna be fed by us right now. Actually,
here they come.
They're already coming. I think
they recognize.
Yeah, let's get a view of this. We have not even actually started feeding them, but look at this. Like, they're here. Let's just put this right there. Okay. Let's feed them. Let's go. How would I make sure we can see what we're doing?
I'm just gonna look.
Here, guys. You guys are all wet. Well, they can't really see them, can they? Come on. Let's get them on this side. Are you going to record?
How do I know it's
It's got record. Yeah, it's recording.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Let's put that for these guys. Oh, geese came. That's a problem. Are you getting them down there? Oh, look at this. Oh, we should have brought the whole frickin' bag.
I told you.
Oh, look at that white one.
Oh, isn't that gorgeous?
What is he? He's
all
an
the way,
albino?
all the way here from the Vatican.
Really? You think? He might. Oh, here
So we
go.
have
here,
pigeons.
Andrew.
Oh, here. They feed from your hand.
It's so cute. Oh my God, he's hungry. Here you go.
Oh, I don't know if I caught that.
You want to get it again?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. I feel like the bird lady. Ow, ow, ow.
So we have pigeons, we have ducks, we have big geese. Oh, here come the geese.
I know, I'm just going to throw it at them.
Don't throw too much. Pace yourself, pace yourself.
Oh, watch out, there's a feeding frenzy down here. Here we go, come here guys. Somebody, anybody, you're going to come. Okay, come on. I feel so weird. They're hungry today.
It's 11s. It's time for 11s.
Last time we fed them, they got so full because we fed them a whole half a bag. And you're like, what about me? Oh, sorry, buddy. Oh my goodness, eh? This is crazy. Here, you want to feed some?
Sure.
Okay, thank you. Careful where you walk.
Last time we were here, it was baby time, and there was all kinds of babies all over the place. Just a few months ago, of course. Spring is baby time. Hello, guys.
No. Do the pigeons, will they eat out of my hand?
I don't know.
This is crazy. This is nuts.
Any left?
Yeah, there's lots. Here you go.
Here.
Good trade.
I wanna...
Did you get it?
I think so.
Oh my God, this is crazy. I feel like I feel like we're surrounded. Guess
We
what?
are surrounded.
We are. Look at it's all these behind you here. This is nuts. Somebody else want some more? Who's Brett? Yeah, I know, right? Oh, wow, you guys. Ow! That hurt. They're hungry. I'm not sure. You guys are a little bit. Ah! Like it's just a little pinchy. Like that's all. Like you know. Oh.
Where'd that white pigeon go? Back to the Vatican? Oh, there he is. There he is. Oh, and the geese.
Bet you if we walk, they're gonna follow us all the way around. Oh, this is nuts.
Where'd he go? All the pigeons on top of the sundial. Sorry guys, don't want to step on you down here.
I know, you gotta be careful. There's so many. These guys are like food. He likes the quarantine. Gerry, do you want to feed them some more? Oh my goodness, there's more! And they're running!
Oh, here comes the geese. Here comes the geese gang. Look at them come. Geese tend to be bullies.
Yeah. Oh, those are the babies now. Those were the little babies.
Oh, were they babies?
Yeah, look at them. The smaller ones, they were the babies when we came last time. Like, I mean, look how many there are. They grew up. Oh, they're fighting. Hey, be nice. Oh, somebody was just like pecking at my leg. This one over here was pecking at my leg. I don't know why.
Don't forget us.
Yeah. Okay, so we've got to kind of make a break for it. I'm out of seed here.
Uh-oh.
I know.
You run out of food. I guess it's just us left.
Here, buddy. Get off his butt.
And we're just at the beginning of the marsh. It goes all the way around. A couple islands in the middle.
Uh-oh. You gotta keep the geese happy so they don't come over here.
Yeah, it's perfect
I'm covered in seed.
for birds.
Okay, so what should we do now? Okay, so we are getting followed. Look at this. We've got a bag of bird seed and we're walking away. And it seems like we have some friends. Are you my mommy? Are you my mommy? My goodness, this is crazy. Oh, we should have brought the whole bag.
I told you.
Oh my goodness.
I told you.
Oh, they're all coming. Look at that. All the way back there. They're all coming. Oh, and they stopped. We stopped. They stopped. Oh, we got a goose there. Oh, yeah, I know. Well, you're not going to get some by being mean to us. So we started walking again, and guess what? My little friend came along. Guess what? Babies! Duck babies! We're gonna feed the duck babies. Oh, here's Mommy, right over here. Mommy's like, what do you want with my kids? Here's our friends that have been following us. There's even a pigeon involved in this. Yeah, a couple pigeons. There's more that came from the shore. And there's a couple over there. Yep, they're following us all right. Yeah, hi guys. Hello. Hello. Oh. Okay, you guys may want to know why I'm so scared of the geese. They're known to attack.